In, in our previous slide, that is part 1, we have come to know that Himalayas comprise of number of mountains, several mountains, a line of mountains, and that the peak of the mountains are snow white, and Himalayas are steep, and they are the highest among all the mountains. Okay, these are the largest mountains, right? And we also learned that this Himalayas comprise of two peaks, namely South Peak and Mount Everest. South Peak measures 28,700 feet and Everest measures 29,028 feet, right? And Mount Everest is the highest of all mountains in the world. Now, today we will be discussing part 2 of the chapter entitled First Men on Mount Everest. Class 4, Subject English, Part 2, Chapter 7. Right? Now, explanation of fourth paragraph. Many people tried to climb Mount Everest. Many people tried to climb Mount Everest, but majority of them could not. Most of them miserably failed in climbing atop the Mount Everest, right? So many people tried to climb Mount Everest. They wanted to stand at the top of the world, but climbing such a high mountain is not easy. It's not very easy. Why? Because it is full of ice and the weather is quite chilly. At the summit, that means at the top of the mountain, the earth's atmosphere is very thin and it gets thinner with the rise of height. As the height increases, right, what happens is the earth's atmosphere gets thinner and thinner. There is no air to breathe at the top of the peak. There is no air to breathe at the top of the peak. There are very strong winds and it is extremely cold. It is extremely cold. So there are very strong winds and it is extremely cold. In, in the year 1953, in the year 1953, two men joined an expedition to climb Mount Everest. In the year 1953, two men joined an expedition to climb Mount Everest. What is the meaning of expedition? Expedition is a dangerous adventure or a dangerous journey So, in the year 1953, two men joined an expedition, means decided to undertake a dangerous journey. So it is an adventure sport, right? Quite which is quite dangerous. So in the year 1953, two men joined an expedition to climb Mount Everest. So two men joined an expedition to climb Mount Everest. They came from different countries. They came, both were not from the same region or same country. They came from different countries and they spoke different languages, but they both wanted the same thing. So, what did these both wanted? Both of them, both the people, both the persons wanted to climb the Mount Everest. So both of them had the challenge of reaching to the top of the Mount Everest. They wanted to be the first men to climb the world's highest mountain. They both wanted to climb to the summit of the Mount Everest. Summit means top. So both these men, both these men wanted to climb to the summit of the Mount Everest. So both these wanted to climb to the top of the top of Mount Everest. Edmund Hillary came from New Zealand. At home, he kept bees and sold honey. But more than anything else, he loved climbing high mountains. So, this is the picture of Edmund Hillary. This is the picture of Edmund Hillary. Then, Tenzing Norgay, he came from Nepal. His family his family were Sherpas who are all well known for their skill at climbing mountains. So, Sherpas is one community known for climbing mountains. When he was a young boy, Tenzing ran away from his home near Mount Everest and went to live in Darjeeling. So Tenzing ran away from his home near Mount Everest and went to live in Darjeeling in West Bengal. But soon he came back and helped teams of climbers for money. So Tenzing joined the team and trained the teams, many teams, in climbing the mountain by charging them for the help rendered by him, that is Tenzing. So this is the picture of Tenzing. Are you all able to see? This is the picture of a mountaineer whose name is Tenzing. Right? Now, summary of the video. Many people tried to climb Mount Everest. Many people tried to climb Mount Everest. They wanted to stand at the top of the world. But climbing such a high mountain is not easy. At the summit, the Earth's atmosphere is very thin and it gets thinner with the rise of height. So as the height increases, Earth's atmosphere gets thinner. There is no air to breathe at the top of the peak. There is no air to breathe at the top of the peak. There are very strong winds and it is extremely cold. There are very strong winds and it's extremely cold. In fact, many people can't withstand that cold. Okay, it is biting cold. In 1953, two men joined an expedition to climb Mount Everest. That means in 1953, two men joined a dangerous journey to climb Mount Everest. Edmund Hillary came from New Zealand. He loved climbing high mountains. Tenzing Norgay came from Nepal. His family were Sherpas who are well known for their skill at climbing mountains. Here are a few questions relating the video which you are all supposed to answer. First question is, why is it difficult to climb Mount Everest? Why is it difficult to climb Mount Everest? Second question is, what was their main objective? That is the second question. What was their main objective? Third question, name the two men who reached first Mount Everest. Name the two men who reached first Mount Everest. Fourth question, what was the occupation of Edmund Hillary? What was the occupation of Edmund Hillary? Fifth question, what was the occupation of Tenzing Norgay? What was the occupation of Tenzing Norgay? So here I want to explain to you one thing. What is the meaning of occupation? Occupation is nothing but a profession in which a person is involved, or a profession a person has chosen to work on, which gets them their livelihood, bread and butter, so to say, income. That is the meaning of occupation. Okay, so I hope you have understood this well. Answer the questions and we will meet up tomorrow. Have a good day. Jai Sai Ram.